Well, she may only be a few days young, however, Jay-Z and Beyoncé's newborn daughter, Blue Ivy Carter, already has a duet out with her dad. Daddy Jay just dropped Glory, a new song that features his little tyke. Over a simple, soulful loop, Jay celebrates the natural birth of his 7-pound bundle of joy. The most amazing feeling I feel, baby, I'll paint the sky blue. My greatest creation was you, he raps. Through his lyrics, Jay also opens up about a previous miscarriage. Last time the miscarriage was so tragic, we was afraid you disappeared, but now, baby, you magic, he also said. Little Blue Ivy does sound pretty special. As the song begins to fade, she makes her first appearance on the record by crying and cooing. It was, well, glorious.